The marginalist principle is a cornerstone of modern economic thought. It posits that economic decisions are made by considering the additional, or marginal, benefits and costs of one more unit of an activity. This approach revolutionized how economists analyze choices and resource allocation. It provides a framework for understanding rational behavior. Emerging in the late 19th century, marginalism shifted focus from classical theories of value based on production costs. It introduced the concept of subjective value, emphasizing the utility derived by consumers. This intellectual movement profoundly reshaped economic analysis and theory. Central to marginalism is marginal utility, which is the additional satisfaction or benefit a consumer gains from consuming one more unit of a good or service. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as consumption increases, the additional satisfaction from each subsequent unit tends to decrease. This explains why consumers are willing to pay less for additional units. For producers, marginal cost is the additional expense incurred to produce one more unit of output. Conversely, marginal benefit for a firm is the additional revenue gained from selling one more unit. These concepts are crucial for optimal production decisions and profit maximization. Individuals and firms make rational decisions by comparing marginal benefits with marginal costs. A consumer will purchase an additional item if its marginal utility exceeds its marginal cost, typically its price. A producer will increase output as long as marginal revenue surpasses marginal cost. This ensures efficient resource use. The essence of marginalism lies in its incremental perspective. It asks, what is the impact of doing one more of something? This focus on the next unit, rather than the total, allows for precise decision-making in dynamic environments. It highlights the importance of small adjustments. The marginalist principle extends beyond simple consumption and production. It is applied in labor economics to determine optimal hiring, in environmental economics for pollution control, and in public finance for optimal taxation. Its versatility makes it a fundamental analytical tool. It helps explain market equilibrium. In conclusion, the marginalist principle offers a powerful lens through which to understand economic behavior. By focusing on the incremental changes in costs and benefits, it explains how individuals and firms make optimal choices. This principle remains indispensable for economic analysis and policy formulation.